Let me tell you how to work with tables in MS Access. In the previous chapter, you were introduced to various activities like creating, saving, closing, and opening of database using one of the important components of Microsoft Office suite, that is, Microsoft Access 2010. In this chapter, you will further learn about the other activities associated with a database. Today, we will learn how to create a table. We know that tables are the basic building blocks of a database. Data is stored in a database by using tables. You can add tables to an existing database in the following ways. Adding tables in Design View. Adding tables in Datasheet View. Adding table in Design View. Click on the Table Design button on the Create tab in the Tables group. A table will be created and opened in Design View. In this view, the object window consists of two panes. The first pane is called the Field Entry pane and the other is called the Field Properties pane. Adding fields in Design View. For each field in the table, type a name in the Field Name column and then press the Tab key to move to the Data Type column. By default, text data type appears in this column. Specify the data type as shown in the figure. In the description column, you can type a description for each field. The description text is displayed on the status bar when you select that field in the Datasheet view. After defining all fields, save the table by clicking on the Save option in the File tab. Or select the Save icon present on the Quick Access toolbar. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the required name and click on OK. Now, to add data in the table, switch to the Datasheet view. Adding data in Datasheet view. Click in the cell below the roll number field. Enter the roll number of the student, for example, 1, and then press either the Tab or Enter key. You will notice that the control has shifted to the next field. Deleting a field in Design View. Open a table. Select the row containing the field that you want to delete. Click on the Delete Rows button on the Design tab in the Tools group. Deleting a field in a Datasheet view. To delete a field, follow the steps given below. Select the field by clicking on its field header and press the Delete key, or right-click on the field and select the Delete Field option from the context menu. Access prompts a message to confirm deletion. Click Yes to confirm the deletion and No to cancel the deletion. Let me give you a tip. You can also delete fields in Design View by right-clicking on the rows containing the field and selecting the Delete Rows option from the context menu. Let us learn how to make changes in Datasheet view. Moving a field. Open the table in Datasheet view. Select the field that you want to move by clicking on its field header. Drag it horizontally and drop it at the desired location. While dragging, you will find a dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. Freezing a field. Freezing a field in MS Access refers to making the selected field or column appear at the leftmost side in a table and makes it visible at all times, irrespective of the directions you scroll. To freeze columns, follow the steps given below. Open the table in Datasheet view. Right-click on the column heading of the field that you want to freeze. Select the Freeze Fields option from the context menu. You will observe that the selected column is shifted to the extreme left of the table. You can unfreeze the columns by right-clicking on any column heading and selecting Unfreeze All Fields option from the context menu. Hiding a field. MS Access provides a feature using which you can temporarily hide columns. To hide fields, follow the given steps. Right-click on the column heading that you want to hide. Select the Hide Fields option from the context menu. You will notice that the selected column is no more visible in the table. Unhiding the hidden fields. The fields which you have hidden earlier can be brought back to the table. Follow the steps given below to unhide the fields. Right-click on any of the field headings. Select the Unhide Fields option from the context menu. The Unhide Columns dialog box appears on the screen. It shows the names of all the fields present in the table. Select the checkbox next to each field that you wish to display. Click on the Close button. You will observe that the selected fields have appeared in the table. Students, let me explain you about moving through records. Sometimes while entering data in a table, you wish to move across the table, either to edit some data or delete a record. Many times you prefer to use a mouse to click on the row selector button of a record or simply select a field. Whenever there are a large number of records, it becomes difficult to navigate through the table. Access provides the navigation toolbar that appears at the bottom of a datasheet, using which it becomes convenient to move through the records. Various navigation toolbar options as depicted in figure helps to navigate through the table as follows. Number 1 takes you to the first record. Number 2 moves to the previous record. Number 3 type the specific record number to move to. Number 4 takes you to the next record. Number 5 moves to the last record. Number 6 go to a new blank record.